Another mom's recipe for you today. This is Muri Ghonto, where fish head is cooked with Gobindo Bhog rice with some aromatic spices, and it turns out so tasty, guys. Let's make this together. Here I have 250 grams of Gobindo Bhog rice that we are going to soak in water for 20 minutes at least. Use this rice for this recipe for the best results. And here I have a Ruhi Macher matha, which is 500 grams. You can also use Katla Macher matha, which is going to be even better for this recipe. Coat it in salt and turmeric powder. Coat all the crevices nicely so that this curry turns out tasting really good. Here I have a pot where I'm adding 5 tablespoons of mustard oil, and we are going to first fry some potatoes till they are golden brown in color and then set them aside. This is 250 grams of potatoes that I cut in relatively large size pieces. The potatoes are going to take approximately 5 minutes to get golden brown in color. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing for yummy recipes. Now is the time to turn up the heat and fry the fish head till it gets nice and crisp, guys. Sometimes hot oil tends to splatter when you fry fish head, so you could totally cover it with a lid from time to time and then keep stirring it and breaking the fish into smaller pieces while you fry it so that the entire fish head fries well and gets nice and crisp. Can you tell that it is getting dark golden brown in color? The better you fry this, the better your curry will taste. Now we are going to set this aside, and to the same pot we are going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 slit green chillies or as hot as you like. Give that a quick stir, and next add in 3/4 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. This is one of the main spices in this recipe. 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and we are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of ginger along with salt to taste. Cumin and ginger are one of the main spices in this recipe. Next, we are going to add in the fried potatoes and also the fried fish. Give all of that a nice stir with all the spices, drain the water from the rice and add the rice in. If you prefer written recipes, I also have a blog called nupursindiankitchen.com, so do check that out. I just added 1 tablespoon of ghee. I'm going to stir the rice with that ghee, and next add in 4 to 5 large garlic cloves that is roughly chopped. You don't have to stir fry the garlic too much, just stir it in quickly with the rice, and next we are going to get ready to add hot water so that your rice cooks through. Just add enough water to cover the rice or water as needed. Mix the water with the rice, and now is the best time to assess for salt. We are going to taste the water and see if it is salty enough. Add more salt if needed, and we are also going to add some sugar to taste to balance out all the spices. I added half a teaspoon of sugar. I have placed the lid on for 5 minutes, so now I'm going to check if the potatoes have cooked through, if the rice is not burning on the bottom, and if it needs some more water to cook. Yes, there is some more cooking to be done, so I'm going to add some more hot water. Make sure the water is hot, guys, only then it's going to cook well. So we're going to add in more hot water. Usually the consistency of Muri Ghonto is a little pasty, more like a khichdi type consistency. So add some more water, cover it and let it cook through for a little longer. It's been another 5 to 7 minutes, and now the consistency starts to look right. The potatoes have also cooked through. So now it's time to add in 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder and mix that in. That's it, guys. So easy, but so delicious. I never wanted to cook this on my own because I always wanted that mom's Muri Ghonto's taste, and now Ma is standing right here and she's taught me to cook it exactly like hers, and I'm so happy.